Now it's time for letter U. Letter U is a vowel. So let's start to the story of vowel U. Uncle has an umbrella, but umbrella didn't find. So the uncle asked to auntie, "Where is my umbrella? Umbrella. Where is my umbrella? Umbrella." अंकलला umbrella सापडत नसते, म्हणून ते आंटीला विचारतात, "Where is my umbrella? कुठे आहे माझी umbrella? Umbrella. Umbrella." Got it? The sound of vowel U is